Hey, this is Shrashira. Today we're having scrambled eggs, just the way my girls like them, just the way I've taught them to them. And I'm going to show you today. Look at this. Nice, buttery. Get a taste. Oh, delicious. Hey, this is Shrashira. That is the best elevator music I ever heard. Alright, for these eggs, these delicious eggs, you're going to need some cheese, whatever cheese you like. I'm using 4-blend cheese today. About 1/4 cup of milk, your favorite hot sauce, salt, a little butter. Of course, you have your eggs. I'm using 3 eggs today. Your black pepper, and some parsley flakes. Now let's put all these together and see how it's going to go pretty quick. It's pretty simple. I crack the eggs, put it in a bowl, add a little bit of salt to taste. Now we're going to add some pepper in it to taste. And remember, you're going to be using hot sauce too, so you don't have to go crazy with it. And now we're going to mix this up. I'm using a whisk. This makes it easier. Okay. Now we're going to add our milk. In goes the milk. You don't have to add milk if you don't want to. I just like milk in my eggs. Mix it. Now at this point, you're going to add a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce. And again, you can do this to taste, but you don't want to overdo it with the hot sauce because there may be some people you're cooking for that don't like all the heat. But if you just put a few dashes in there, they won't notice. They'll just get a little hit of something and you won't blow their face off. Right, Mama Shaw, she don't like hot sauce. I put it in her eggs all the time. And she eats it. Yeah, now she's giving me the stink face, but you eat it now. Enjoy yourself. Knock yourself out. Alright, now we're going to add a little bit of cheese. And you can use any kind of cheese you want. You know, I'm using the 4-blend here. You know, Mama Shaw, she's trying mozzarella cheese out today with her eggs. It's all nice and mixed in. And every time you add an ingredient, go ahead and mix your eggs back up. Now in this non-stick frying pan, I have about 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's get this melted. And when I'm mixing this up, I'm not really scrambling it so much. I'm using this spoon here. I like this one because instead of rapidly scrambling, I pull and push. You know, just to create nice fluffy eggs. You'll see what I'm talking about here. Alright, the butter's melted. Now let's add the eggs. Give it a little mix before we put it in. Just to get everything moving and not sticking so much to the pan. Or so much to the bowl, sorry about that. Let's get all that in there. And the heat is on medium right now. Just give it a few seconds here before we start moving it. And then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, now we can start just sliding it. Just slide. See? Just push it. On this side we're pushing and on the other side we're pulling towards us. See? And as you're doing that, the cooked eggs will move and the moist eggs will replace it. And in the middle, you'll see your eggs starting to build. Right? See that? Just take your time. And doing it like this, you can cook your eggs to whatever doneness you like. I don't like mine super moist. Some people do. They like them a little runny. It's fine. You can make your call right here. And see, now that it's pretty much taking shape, now by pushing and pulling, I can speed up a bit. And that's why it really helps if you have a non-stick pan. You can do this in a regular pan, traditional pan. You just might have to add just a little bit more butter, just not much, just a little bit. And you may have to push and pull a little faster to start. See? And now when your eggs get just about where you want them, turn the heat off. Turn the heat off so you don't overdo it. Right? These eggs are done the way I like them. Now let's plate them up. Okay? So get our eggs on the plate. Very nice. Now we're going to add a little bit of parsley flakes. And there we have it. Some of the best scrambled eggs you're going to have. Enjoy. And if you like this, it looks good, but try it for yourself. If you like it, make a comment. Let me know what you thought. You can tweak it to the way for your taste. That being said, this is Shrashira, and I'm out.